Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1964 Corvette. This one has a 327 under the hood. And also a 4-speed transmission. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. You can also hit that notification bell to be alerted. It's that time. Let's go for a test drive. Before we take off, go look around the interior. Go ahead, place your bets from home. Do you think the horn works? This one's showing 5,000 or 50,000 miles on the dash here. Let me get closer. It's hard to stand behind that, but I can show you what it says on there. We're getting ready to start it up. Check some stuff out. It does need a set of windshield wipers. Notice there's no rubbers left on those at all, so I'm not going to try to scratch the window up. Starts up nice and easy. See if we can get this blower motor working here. It's not working. Try the radio. Doesn't look like much is working in here. Did y'all place your bets on the horn? Let's try it out. That sounds like an air horn. Dash is in good shape. Interior looks awesome. When we get back from this test drive, I'm gonna be doing a full walk around on this car. Let's take off. We're getting ready to take off here. I'm trying to get the seat belt out of the seat. And buckle myself up here. Anything that I see that needs to be known, the brake's working. I will let you know. Oil pressure's up around 50 on the dash. Gas gauge is kind of fluctuating. RPM's coming up as well, as the temperature is at 180, which is a good temp for this car. Well, open my vent windows. Should be a pretty fun test drive. I love these Corvettes. Making sure our hood's all the way down. Let's hit the road. Very easy to drive. It's letting off. The clutch is letting out almost instantly. Speedometer is coming up. Not much slack in the steering. It's turning almost instantly. I'm like rocking the car when I'm doing this. Let's check the brakes out here. Brakes are working good. Suspension doesn't feel bad. It feels like it's supposed to. Going straight down the road. I'm not pulling to the left or right. Try my turn signals out here. I'm not seeing any indication or hearing anything. parking lot right here. I'm gonna get some outside shots of this car. You can see all the products that I use to make the videos, all my equipment, down below in the description. Let's get these outside shots. Hit the road again. Make sure y'all are all set up where you can see everything. Take off here. There we are. Nobody pulls out in front of me in this car. Like I said, on the turn signals, it's like it's not working. I'll have to get out. We can do an inspection sheet on any of these cars if upon request. Checking, you know, headlights, tail lights, all that good stuff. We will be checking the headlights on this because they are power. Who knew there'd be so much traffic today? Checking the brakes, getting on it a little bit, nothing major. I don't want to blow the tires off this one. Try to baby this car. Make it back just in time before it starts raining again. I've got 3 other cars to do today. I want to get on the site. We're turning on that road right here where the bump is to test the suspension, listen for rattles. I usually like to get on it a little bit here, but it seems like every test drive here lately somebody's been in front of me. Going real slow. Bump in the road right here. Hardly even tell we went over it. No rattles. Look, it's just starting to barely sprinkle. I'm gonna pull it in the lot. Probably pull it up under the awning back here, just in case it does start coming down rain. and we will get our outside walk around. Be looking for that video, point out any kind of flaws inside, outside of the car, giving you some undercarriage shots and more. Thanks for riding with me, guys. I do appreciate you riding along with me. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. We got close to 100 detailed pictures of this car. We've also got wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. You can get financed, and I have shipping information. It helps me out a lot if you share these videos and hit that subscribe button. That way you can see cars every single day coming from Maple Motors. Thanks again, guys. Y'all have a good one.